All right, what's up, YouTube? I know it is Motivational Monday, but anyways, I haven't done a video for 2 days. But anyways, I want to be able to talk about again on this PowerPoint on ways to flip a Forex account. So I'm gonna do this as much as I can, explaining this. And I know a lot of you guys have got the PowerPoint, the PDF file version. It's free. Like I said, if you guys are serious, like I said, I don't. Yeah, if you're serious and you want this, just let me know. I can email it to you. It's easier if you Telegram message me, then I can just give you the file right away on Telegram because I'm always on Telegram. Like I said, if I don't respond back, like I said, I spent one heck of a weekend with the family and relatives, but I'm back to I'm back to my thing now. I want to talk about scalping nonstop because a lot of people are like, "Well, I don't have a lot of time focusing on the screen to scalp 6 to 8 hours straight." You don't have to scalp 6 to 8 hours straight, but if you can scalp 1 hour straight, right, or 30 minutes on the screen, 30 minutes to 45 minutes on the screen, or up to an hour, then you get a feel for like, okay, this is the time. Well, the time frame should be a 1 minute chart. If not, then at least a 5 minute chart, to where you're capturing like 3 to 6 pips, right? And that make sure that the broker is has the best leverage, right? And which is 1 to 500 or more, or 1 to 1,000, and make sure it's an ECN account so that your spreads are not so high. So I would recommend looking into I don't know where you guys like Traders Way or not. I still use them. Eagle FX is not bad. Hugo's Way and KOT Forex, they're okay. They don't have, I guess, I don't want to say. Oh, you were trying to talk to me. I don't okay that. They don't have the best spreads. LQDFX micro account, it's all right. Yeah, that's why I said I don't want if most micro accounts give you a higher leverage, but then the problem is the spreads are like way out of proportion. People just trying to talk to me right now. I apologize, guys. I'm trying to make a video here for you guys, and people are still trying to talk to me. See, I'm a busy man. But anyways, so now if you're on the 1 minute chart, and this is what I'm talking about, if you're on the 1 minute chart and you're focusing for like 30 minutes to an hour on this, make sure you understand what pair you're gonna go for. Me personally, I would go for USD JPY versus trading Euro. Now, if I'm going to trade Euro, I would trade it during London sessions, and that would be the only session I would trade. Scalping Euro to the dollar is not the best because it's not a 24-hour base pair. Now, with the US dollar to the yen, you get the US dollar during New York sessions, and you get Japan, which is during Tokyo sessions. Oh, so you can trade that thing day and night. And that's why I like that pair because it is compared to the lowest spreads with compared to Euro to the dollar. So now some of you guys are probably asking, can I make money scalping gold? Yes, you can. So I know gold is not being talked about on here. And so if you plan on scalping gold, understand that you could lose a lot of money on a small account. And if this is something that you want to do and you want to scalp gold, by all means, you better be well prepared, especially on a small account. I don't care if it's $100. I don't care if it's $500. I don't care if it's even $1,000, because some people don't understand the amount of volume that gold trades off of, and also, when you pay the spreads and commissions off gold, and if gold just moves $2 or $3 in value, you gotta understand and anticipate that if you did one standard and it moves $1, you're already losing $100 if it goes against you. If you did three standards and it moves $1 in value, that's $300. So in perspective, you have to really dive down how much you want to make, and can you afford the risk of trading gold? So I know this PowerPoint doesn't talk about gold, but some people are asking about gold. By all means, go ahead, but you have to justify if that is the right pair that you should be scalping. And if you're not familiar with gold, you're going to be all over the place. I want to hop down here. Indicators. You don't have to use indicators to To scalp, like I said, you can strictly trade based on price action and candlesticks. That's what I'd be doing. Now, I would have to make a separate video on that because this PowerPoint is solely based on the scalping method that I did 4 years ago. And this was the same scalping setup that Bruce Webb did. But I like I said, I have nothing against him. It's just that I'm just sharing you guys what I learned, and like I said, his I don't want to make him sound like he's a bad person or something, but it's just that you pay for $200 and you get two videos of trading based on RSI, and that's all you get. That's basically all you get. And if you guys see value in paying 200 bucks for two videos, by all means, go ahead to and go sign up for his scalping course. I don't know if he still offers it, but that's something that I've been talking about on my YouTube channel. Anyways, I already exposed that strategy already, and it's totally on you guys if you guys want to do it yourself. Let me come down here. Stacking. I man, I don't know. People have been asking a lot too, like stacking. Yeah, stacking can be very, very lucrative. Like awesome, making a lot of money. But that's based on the trend. If there is no trend and you're stacking, you better be well prepared on capturing just a short amount of pips if you're just stacking. If I'm stacking while I'm scalping and there is no trend, you gotta cash out. I know some people have asked like, "Man, I stacked at the wrong time. The market's reversed on me." Well, if the market's reversed on you, then you should close out your losses. If you analyze the charts and the markets are reversing it, and you're seeing it as a reversal, why the heck would you not close out your losses? I if you are telling me that you see it as reversal, get out. Don't tell me that you see it as reversal and you're still holding these losses because you think it's going to turn around. If I say the word reversal, then I'm getting out because I'm then basically that's my confirmation of going with the opposite direction, right? Go if it's going to reverse back up and it's going to keep going back up and there's no stopping it, then you better be well prepared to just buy that currency pair or buy the I don't know, buy gold or whatever, buy the dollar. So don't get too caught up on over analyzing if it's a reverse or not. If you are stacking and you are in a major loss because you stacked at the wrong time, you better get out. Let's see what else. Stacking on trends. Me personally, I like the 4 hour and the daily if I was gonna base on trends because with the 4 hour and the daily, you could maximize the whole day of holding out those trades for a daily chart trend setup. So it's gonna be I'm gonna have to make like specific videos on this because I I feel like I'm just repeating this is what this PowerPoint is talking about. So I'm gonna have to make specific videos and specific criterias on different agendas of these PowerPoints, but also to go in depth on stacking, identifying the trend if you're gonna stack, right? Identifying the reversal points if you stacked at the wrong time, um back to scalping off the 1 minute, is it really worth scalping on a consolidation versus on a trend? So yeah, red news. Oh man, NFP. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, non-farm payroll has not been the same 4 years ago. Man, NFP used to be the best high impact trading news out of all the high impact news. And guess what? It has not been as volatile as it used to be. If you guys remember, like 3 or 4 years ago, like if we were trading NFP, man, that the spikes on the candles on the 1 minute, 5 minute can charts, man, they were really crazy. Like massive movements on NFP within the first 5 minutes. But it ain't even like that anymore. It's just like a little spike here and there, and then it retraces, and then that's it. So I don't know. Red news isn't is there, but red news and high impact news trading is not the same as what it was. Yeah, as it compared to when I first started trading back in 2017. So I'm pretty sure some of you guys have seen that. Things to remember. Yeah, yeah. The biggest thing that I always want to say is this, which is the second bullet point. This second bullet point is very important because not every day is the day, is a day where you could like maximize, just because you made 10K profits on trading aggressive today for Monday doesn't mean you're gonna make 10K tomorrow for Tuesday, if you get what I'm saying. Maybe tomorrow you might make more than 10K, or maybe tomorrow you might end up not making anything, if you get what I'm saying. When it comes to high risk and aggressive trading, you're constantly flipping the account. And I know it sounds kind of repetitive, but it is. It is. You're basically constantly focusing on overturning the account as high as it can, in a short amount of time. And that's basically what it is. Your mental focus is got to be there. That's another thing. I even talk about it right here on the second to last bullet point, that this will test your limits on engaging mental focus and adaptability to all forex session markets and staring at the charts all day and night. If you don't have the mentality to focus on staring at the screen all day long and all day night, especially to become a high risk aggressive trader, don't even do it. You know, I don't, it doesn't matter if you get this PowerPoint, because this PowerPoint doesn't mean you're going to become rich overnight. Okay? Yes, it's a great resource to go off of if you really want to do it, but to understand high risk trading and aggressive approach to that style of trading, you seriously got to dive down for yourself if you want to make it work for yourself. You know, I cannot give you my mindset on I've been talking about my mindset, but like I said, I can't give you my brain and be like, okay, you have my brain, so you can go ahead and use it to your advantage and flip the account, as high as you want. That's not how it works. And so I hope this video makes sense. And like I said, I will make more in-depth videos on specific areas of stacking and scalping and what to do if price ends up reversing. And so it's going to be a lot more in depth, but I don't want, like I said, it's going to be more to those that have been trading for a while and that fully understand the basic terms of trading. If you're new and you're watching like my in-depth videos, you're not going to understand anything, because then you're like, well, he says something about like some people don't even understand what support is. You know, if I said something that you don't understand, you're not gonna understand the my terminology of trading. And so you should always understand the basics of resistance and support. That's first thing. Understand price action, right? The meaning behind price action, and understand candlesticks, right? Why I look at candlesticks, right? And that's based on candlestick Bible. So, like I said, yeah, stay tuned. I'll make a video tomorrow. Like I said, it's gonna be a lot more in-depth videos, so you guys can get a chance to see how I'm going through this. And for funding talent, oh yeah, next payout is Tuesday. So we'll see how it goes from there. And then that's it, guys. Peace.